So it would seem that the Hack Like Heck challenge is now underway because I've got a box from Element 14 sitting outside for me, and I'm fixing to open it right now. Because if the internet has taught us anything, it's that 1, people love cats, and 2, people enjoy watching other people open boxes. So in the vein of all those great internet pioneers before me, this.
What's up, YouTube? Just got this brand new box in the mail. Totally gonna open in front of you guys because there's one thing I know about YouTube, is that people love unboxing videos. So I'm probably gonna have to hold the camera over here with one hand while I open the box with the other. It's probably gonna take like 4 or 5 times longer than it would if I just used both. But I'm willing to do it for you guys because if there's one thing I know, people love unboxing videos. So without further ado, let's get started.
Just kidding, of course. I'm going to actually use a tripod because I'm a responsible adult. Let's see what we have here. Nice packing material. Good on you. Here's our envelope. Raspberry Pi. That's going to be important. Looks like we got a few PCBs here that are in some standoffs. Those are going to be good. Lithium-ion battery pack. Got some tack switches here. Those will come in handy for nice button presses. Is a boost converter. Of course, going to need that for the battery pack. And there is the audio out amplifier circuit. Great. Looks like we got a 16 gig card in here. That'll be great. All right. Looks like we got a nice little LCD. I think we can certainly work some magic with this. Of course, where would we be without ribbon cable? Kind of tossed in here, we got our speakers and the big one. Ooh, baby. PCB etchant solution. Gotta love chemicals, guys. Gotta love chemicals. Big old piece of copper. I think I know what to do with this. And I think we are well on our way to building a Raspberry Pi